Our top story, superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, spent almost a month in jail as the Narcotics Control Bureau arrested him and booked him for conspiracy in spite of finding nothing on him. Now the Bombay High Court, in its bail order released Saturday, has said there was no evidence of a conspiracy between the accused Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and Munmund Dhamecha to commit any drug-related offences.
More than 3 weeks after Aryan Khan was granted bail and released from jail, the Bombay High Court in its detailed order has said there was no evidence of conspiracy to continue his incarceration. His lawyers had told NDTV this soon after the High Court granted Aryan Khan bail.
The learned judge, being convinced that this was a case for bail, tossed the file and granted bail immediately. So therefore, my contention is that if this order could have been granted in the lower court, Aryan and others would not have suffered jail.
The Bombay High Court said after having gone through the WhatsApp chats extracted from applicant accused number 1's phone, nothing objectionable could be noticed to suggest that applicant numbers 1 and 2 or all 3 applicants along with the other accused persons in agreement have meeting of minds and have hatched conspiracy of committing the offence in question. The court also said no drugs were found in Aryan Khan's possession, and the order says the accused were not even subjected to a medical examination so as to determine whether at the relevant time they had consumed drugs. Senior lawyer Amit Desai, who represented both Aryan Khan and Arbaz Merchant, say serious charges like conspiracy in the anti-drugs law should be applied only after a proper investigation.
Arguments which are to be conducted at a much later stage in a proceeding once all the evidence is gathered is argued at the initial stage of bail. And that is something which I think needs to be modified.
Superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan was kept in jail based on the NCB's argument that there was a conspiracy, an international drug racket, and that WhatsApp chat seemed to suggest so. The Bombay High Court has commented on both these issues, and this does raise serious questions about the Anti-Drugs Agency's theory and its investigation, even though it's still an ongoing investigation and the agency has more time to produce more evidence. In Mumbai with camera person Rajendra Dhalkar, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.